chat like a Jamaican. Me not take it, you know. Me not take it. I am not taking it, you know. Me can't. I cannot. Somebody out there. Someone out there. Me no want it. Me no want it. I don't want it. Go away. Go away. Morning. Morning. Today. Today. Bun. It's too little for me. The shoes are bun me. A size 10 me wear, you know. And me buy size 8. The shoes are bun me. Yes. Burn. I thought you say burn. Galang. Go on. Me no know. Me no know. I don't know. In the back of me. In the back of me. Is behind me. Where you are? Where you are? What do you want? Where you call me for? Why are you calling me? Lord, me tired. Lord, I'm tired. Sure. 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 Easy. Person's annoyed with whatever. Somebody giving them trouble. Something, but they're annoyed. So they say, sure. Me can't bother. I cannot bother. Me nah ramp with you know. Me nah ramp. Me nah ramp. I am not playing. Idiot. Idiot. Silly. D. Jamaican say D. Which they're talking about is V. T-H-E. Instead of saying V, they say D. Lick. I soon lick him. Jamaicans say lick. Others say hit. Fling. Fling. Take the stone and you fling it. You fling the rock. Fling it. Others say throw. If you like, thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching Jamaican Culture with Shar. And have a blessed time wherever you are. Me nah ramp with you, you know. Me nah ramp with you, no. I'm not playing. Thanks for watching.